We're doing some repairs. The words for that there come out, about pop off. All down here. God do something with that. Cause I ain't got nowhere. Let me see what we could do, boy. I ain't got my blow torch. And I got different sizes of heat strength, as you can see. As I say, we ain't got nowhere, so we gotta utilize what we got. So we toss on the blue heat strength. It's a little bigger than anywhere, but it is wrapped with some insulation tape now for extra security, and we ain't good from there. As you can see, we had to do that a couple spots here. But let me see what we could do. Alright, with this one here, so we had to wing up a little bit. As I say, this is a, if it is you can't get over at the moment, you gotta work with your gut, cause in some cases it gotta cut some corners to get your job done. I said don't do nothing, but you gotta do some things to get your job done. So let me show you what's going on now. So there how it can be. You gotta let it expose it, cause I said we just using this to take out all that space. So just lay it on as even as possible. And then use a lighter or heat gun, but in this case, you use maybe a lip class and then imagine serious. Wait. Let's not burn it there, last night. See what whole plate it is now? Yeah. And you make sure the insulation tape. And we do that to all two ends like that already. So it doesn't matter running that back inside your truck now. Here connect that back. Wait, when I'm done, I got on the side. I mean on the tray. Close. Yeah, close. Yeah, press and hold. Alright, open. Yeah, all the way. Alright, close.